Go Blue, Unraveled, understanding the phrase. Hello dear learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into the phrase, go blue. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings and how to use it correctly in your conversations. The color blue has various connotations across cultures, but if we look at the literal meaning of the words go and blue together, it might suggest that something is turning the color blue. For example, if you leave a white shirt in a dye for too long, it might go blue. In a more figurative sense, go blue can mean a few different things. 1. Feeling cold or chilled. For instance, when someone is exposed to cold weather without enough warm clothing, their lips might go blue. 2. Feeling shocked or surprised. Sometimes, when someone is taken aback by unexpected news, they might say they went blue with shock. 3. Moving towards sadness. When someone is feeling down or depressed, you might hear someone say they went blue, although this usage is less common. For some, go blue is a cheer for the University of Michigan. It's a rallying cry for their sports teams, particularly in American football. So, if you ever hear someone shouting, go blue, in the context of sports or while in Michigan, they're probably supporting their favorite team. Understanding the nuances of phrases like go blue is what makes mastering the English language so intriguing. Whether you're talking about colors, emotions, or even sports, the context is crucial. We hope this video has shed light on the versatile usage of go blue. Stay curious and keep learning.